Current radar and satellite, well, looking much like what it did all day today. Just nasty out there. Not a whole lot of heavy rain falling, even though it looks like there's heavy rain on the radar. You can see these pockets of heavier precip, and what that actually is mixed precipitation in the clouds, and it's pinging back to the radar as heavy precipitation or heavy rain, even though really what we're seeing is snow and rain and sleet up in the cloud, and it's pinging back, and so we're getting a higher ping for what's returning as opposed to what actually is falling at the surface. Now, some sleet has mixed in out there. We've gotten several reports that there was sleet falling. We didn't officially pick up any snow today. That's what sleet is measured as at the airport, but still, there is sleet out there, and our setup not changing much over the next day. We have this stalled frontal boundary, what was the cold front, moving through, and one area of low pressure sliding off to the north now, and we'll have another area of low pressure develop tomorrow in southwest Texas. That will move along the front as well. Timed up with this cold front off to our north, and you can see all of that cold air. It'll be sliding in, and the tail end of that moisture left over with this cold front interacting. That's where we could see our snow set up for tomorrow night. 40 degrees out there tonight, periods of rain, some sleet may mix in, around an 80% chance of rain tonight, not changing much. Mostly cloudy tomorrow, cold with a little bit of rain throughout the day. And then as we head into the late afternoon and early evening, it might start mixing with snow and or changing over to all snow, but I think that will likely happen as we get around the midnight hour. And this is all going to be dependent on whether or not we have moisture left over for this to all happen. So as we go into Friday morning, we'll see a bit of snow or sleet and then rain as well. So I don't think we're going to be seeing a whole lot of accumulation, but if we get the snow to fall heavy enough, if there's enough moisture there, temperatures are going to be hovering right around freezing between 34 and 32 degrees. We could pick up a trace and locally could pick up an inch, mainly on elevated surfaces. Roads are not going to be an issue, so I don't foresee us having any kind of cancellations or any kind of problems travel-wise. And then much warmer with plenty of sunshine as we go into the weekend, so that is good news. Surface map showing that cold front sinking just a little bit further south, and you see we're right on the edge of moisture. We'll be watching this low pressure develop and that edge of moisture with this cold chipping away. So this is a complicated forecast, and it could change rather quickly. Out there tonight, sleet mixing in with rain as we look at 40 degrees, only 45 tomorrow. And then, of course, we'll be watching closely as we get into tomorrow night and checking out our extended forecast. Slowly warming back up as we go into next week, but another cold shot coming on in.